Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about healthcare insurance claim fraud. So this is what I'm going to talk about today. So the first one is problem analysis and industry root cause. So the main problem is insurance claim fraud, including fake billing, upcoding, and duplicate claims. So the current weakness is hospital and insurance company still use separate systems, so claim cannot always be checked quickly and accurately in the real time. This makes fraud harder to detect it. Why this happened? Because Vietnam healthcare data system is still not fully connected, causing delay and gaps in verification between different organizations. Industry evidence, according to the World Bank 2023, Vietnam digital healthcare infrastructure remain fragmented, creating challenges for data sharing and transparency. So for solution design and technical realizations for this for assignment 3A, so how the system work, the blockchain network is shared between the Ministry of Health, major hospital and insurance company, with each organization have verified information in the system. So for the records, the blockchain only stores encrypted hashes for treatment for treatment record, making the data secure and difficult to change or manipulate. So privacy protection, sensitive personal information is kept outside and outside the blockchain to follow Vietnam data protection laws. The smart contracts can also check insurance condition and prove payout once the required information is confirmed. So the key benefit here is this system can improve transparency, reduce paperwork, speed up claim verifications, and help detect fraud more efficiency. So the next one is the MVE, minimum value ecosystem loop. So the main network participants, the system mainly connect provincial hospital, major health insurance company, and the Ministry of Health. So the adoption plan start by partnering with 3 major public hospitals to create a first transaction data and test system in real condition. The system integrations. So the middleware can be useful to connect assisting electric medical record (EMR) without needing to completely replace all systems. So the government alignment also support Vietnam's goal with building paperless digital healthcare system by 2027. So the main benefits here is it helps improve data sharing, reduce disruption for hospital, and making digital transformation more practical and realistic. So the next one is legal and ethical critical evaluations. So the, the, the compliance system must follow decree number 13-2023, which require clear consent before personal healthcare data can be collected and processed. So data privacy challenge here. The blockchain data cannot easily be deleted, or a patient may still want their personal information removed or updated. So the possible solution here is instead of changing blockchain records, the system can block or revoke access to off-chain storage links that contain sensitive patient information. So the concern is the cost of building blockchain nodes and hardware system may be too expensive for smaller and rural healthcare clinics. So for social impacts, according to World Bank 2023, it could widen the digital gap between large urban hospital and healthcare providers in rural areas. So for critical generative AI systems, for AI suggestions, the store full patients' medical records on public blockchain network to increase transparency and improve auditing. So the problem of this is the blockchain network can expose sensitive healthcare information, create serious privacy and legal risks under Vietnam's data protection law. So human evaluations. After reviewing the risk, the public blockchain approach was rejected because it would not be practical or safe for healthcare systems. So the final decision here is the system was changed to a permissioned hybrid system that combines on change hash and off change storage for sensitive data. So the main advantage, this approach balance transparency, security, and privacy while also making system more realistic for real healthcare and insurance operations. So for reflection, future professional insight. So the skill development, learn how to evaluate whether blockchain is suitable for business problem, understand decentralized identity system, and explore how token-based governance work in digital platform. For professional professional applications. This idea also can apply to the future work in digital marketing, especially providing data integrity, trust, and platform security. So for key industry insight, one important thing I learned is that enterprise blockchain adopts is often limit for governance, cooperation, and stakeholders cooperation than the technology itself. So the main reflection here is successful blockchain project depends not only on strong technical system, but also on how well organizations work together and manage trust. So for strategy, verdict, and exclusive advice. So in my opinion, blockchain is useful for providing transparency, trust, and automations, but it is not complete solution by itself. So the recommendation, the first one is you have a system that separate blockchain data from sensitive patient information to better protect privacy and follow Vietnam data protection laws. The second one is build early partnership with major hospital, insurers, and government agency to strengthen collaboration and create strong network effects. The third one is make sure the system can work smoothly with future national digital health platform and interoperability standards. So the main takeaway here is successful blockchain adoption depends not only on technology, but also on privacy protection, stakeholders, collaboration, and long-term system integrations. So here's the reference list, and thank you for listening.